Hey, Bob Carr here with the Bob Carr Show. Joining me in the studio today is Mr. Grayden Bird. Grayden Bird, how's your winter been, sir?
It was good. How was yours?
Fantastic.
Should probably be the same as mine since we
Probably
both work
close
here.
because we see each other every day. So how was the holiday season? You guys have get a lot accomplished, a lot of rehangs, a lot of new work?
It was good. Always have the rehangs. Same people every year. Always want everything up exactly the way it was last year, or they want to change a few
Slightly
things, add
different.
some lights, let's swap colors, or can we move these here, move those there. It's always fun. Always.
So you're always
exciting.
busy. And now what you working on here in the middle of the winter? What you working on?
Now we're taking down Christmas lights as it's that time of year. People don't need their Christmas lights up 24/7, even though that would make our lives easier come next year. But now we're doing drainage, and a lot of it, if it's going like last January through April, we went through pallets on pallets on pallets of drainage pipe. So
Taking care of a lot of wet yards.
yes,
Making people happy, taking care of that water so that they can get out there with their kids, their pets. Landscaping, surviving a lot better than being on water. A lot of water in Washington, D.C. We move a lot of it.
Drainage is a year-round issue for us and, well, for the customers. And
Yep, Mid-Atlantic,
we're busy with that
region. We're built in
year-round,
the swamp.
getting
Yep.
it taken care of, getting solutions out to people. But
So a lot of people have yard drainage problems, and we have yard drainage solutions.
exactly.
That's a good way to sum it up, isn't it?
And if it's anything like last year, like I said, it's going to be a very busy winter into spring.
Gotcha.
It was a lot last year. We did a lot of homes. It was a lot.
A lot
The
of work
supply
going
house
on.
couldn't even keep up with us, so I'll give them a little more of a heads up this year and get some of that
Oh,
ordered
were you
ahead of
using
time.
everything they had?
As soon as we bought something and they restocked on pipe, then we'd go by and pretty much buy it all up again. That was a cycle that, well, it's good for their business. They're selling all their stuff, but it was hard to keep up with us.
Gotcha. So, Grayden, spring's approaching. What should folks get ready for on their properties that they're not maybe thinking of because they've been almost hibernating? Come on.
Most people should know that it's springtime, heat's coming, so if they have a lawn sprinkler system, it's about time to get that turned on, or at least call us and get it scheduled.
Yep. Get on the schedule.
For whenever you want. If you call early enough, you can get whatever date you want. Get those turned on, up and running, get any repairs, get repair lists in order.
Let me stop you for a second, interrupt you. So they can call now, get on the schedule, also have it turned on, and then you can leave the controller in the off position, so to speak. Not use the system, but when you do need it, you're not calling and being in a panic.
Yeah, then everything's set up, ready to run, but you just turn the days of the week off on that program or whatever programs you have running.
Yep. Take
Turn
your
those
phone,
off.
Turn it back on when you're ready.
But everything is ready to go, so all you have to do is tap that button, hit Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 20 minutes of zone, whatever you have it set up for,
Okay.
then it's good to go. And
How about their outdoor lighting?
I would just keep an eye out on it. If it's not coming on, then obviously that's a big issue. Check your transformer, make sure it's plugged in, check the timer, make sure the timer's working and it's set up correctly. If it's not, timer issue.
But they also could call now too and get that scheduled like the lawn sprinkler and have that tuned up. All the lenses clean.
Lenses
bulbs
clean,
checked.
swap bulbs if they need to be swapped, new sockets, maybe a landscaper hit a wire when they were doing a new flower bed out front. Now your path lights aren't
Spring
working.
cleanup, whatever. Now's the time to get it all checked and get it
Get
ready.
them adjusted so that they're all angled right, angled up, down, wherever you make sure it's lighting up what it's supposed to be lighting up.
Check on, if they do have a pier, now's the time to check all that. Make sure it's good after the winter.
Yep.
Okay, after tides come in and out, now's the time to check all that. Make sure everything's good for the boating season, which is going to be approaching quick.
Yeah.
Grayden, appreciate you coming in today,
Of course.
sharing some of your wisdom as always. And this wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show. Stay tuned next week for another episode.